Hi, it's Jose Diaz, Hayward's favorite realtor, with his latest listing located here at 327 Brookview Way and situated in the golf course community of Twin Bridges. You work hard, you deserve the best. Let's take a view of this luxurious home and its park-like backyard. Your next home features 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 2,245 square feet, a luxuriously remodeled kitchen, engineered hardwood floors, and so much more. Don't let this one get away. After a long day's work, can you see yourself in this huge backyard with its built-in barbecue, water fountain, hot tub, avocado tree, fruit tree, and so much more? For more information, feel free to contact me, Jose Diaz, at 510-912-4519.